जी शैलेंद्र, आप बने रहे हमारे साथ।
Well, at this juncture, we are slipping into a very short commercial break. You're watching Janadesh. Stay tuned.
जागरूकता बढ़ाने के लिए न सिर्फ राजनीतिक दलों ने प्रयास इस बार इस दिशा में काफी कुछ काम किया है। देखिए हमारे संवाददाता निशांत सौरभ की ये रिपोर्ट।
All right, let's now go across to Ahmedabad, from where Nishant Saurabh has filed this particular report on low voter turnout by from females. Let's try and understand this, Nishant. Why is this trend known to be very progressive, but very participation, female electorate, dismal figures we see assembly? Is it because of the lack of adequate representation of women at the top? More to that.
जी बिल्कुल सकल, क्योंकि गुजरात को एक प्रोग्रेसिव, इसके बावजूद जो यहाँ पर लो वोटर फीमेल
there. We will thank you right now, Nishant Saurabh, for joining us from Ahmedabad.
और सीधे हम चलते हैं अपने विशेषज्ञ रघुवीर जी के पास। रघुवीर जी, यहाँ पे ये उठ के आ रहा है, कल एक सम्मेलन होना है, पटेलों का महासम्मेलन कहा जा रहा है, सूरत में होने जा रहा है, उस पर आपकी टिप्पणी।
Thank you from our Ahmedabad studios, veteran journalist. Thank you very much. And also we quickly welcome Nishant Saurabh joining us from Ahmedabad, who's joined us from Junagadh. And with that, it's time to wrap up this edition of Janadesh. Of course, we will be back tomorrow once again with a fresh edition.
बिल्कुल, और एक बार जब मतदान होगा पहले को होना है तो जरूर घरों से निकले, चाहे वो पुरुष हो या महिलाएं, और अपने मताधिकार का की सरकार बनवाएं।
Because that's your right. That's why. Let's quickly wrap up. Thank you so much for tuning in. Namaskar.
नमस्कार।
Eden Gardens on day 3. Watching 8:30 prime time, the top story at the Sa. Government won Parliament's approval for its decision. The motion against it was defeated convincingly in Rajya Sabha. 123 members voted in favour after a 2-day animated debate. The Samajwadi Party, which has 9 members in the upper house, staged a walkout, dissatisfied with Sharma's reply. The government's victory in Rajya Sabha, where UPA lacks a majority. The government, however, sought recalculation of votes after the total number of votes appeared. Political parties have reacted on expected lines after the government succeeded in winning the vote in both houses of parliament. The BJP and left parties criticised the role played by the BSP and SP in ensuring the
है और कांग्रेस को और एक बार मौका दिया है। किसी ने बहिष्कार किया, किसी ने
pro-reform policy has been approved by Parliament, and that government will take up other reforms in the interest of the nation. Several important bills are likely to be taken up by Parliament for clearance during the ongoing session, including bill and FDI in insurance and pension sectors. Moment, will be back in a while. Stay tuned. Welcome back. You're watching 8:30 prime time. Government today said it would provide whatever assistance was needed to states, including Uttar Pradesh, on the issue of procurement of paddy in a year marked by a record harvest. The assurance was given by Food Minister Impromptu discussion. Finance Minister P. Chidambaram earlier government would convene a meeting of the affected states to find ways to resolve
the Lok Sabha on
spectrum in Delhi, Mumbai, Rajasthan and Karnataka circles. More efficient 900 megahertz will also be auctioned as well as Kolkata at double the new reserve price. Both the auctions are to be conducted by end of this financial year. In Gujarat, campaigning is on in full swing in poll-bound state. Congress President Sonia Gandhi in Surat, she alleged that the state government was misleading the Yojana. Here's a roundup of the day's campaign activity. Turn on to international news. A 1-meter high tsunami hit northeast undersea quake struck off the coast, which was devastated in last year's quake tsunami disaster. The small sports news will barely 3 days after the Indian Olympic Association was suspended by International Olympic Committee, India today faced more embarrassment. The Indian Boxing Federation was suspended by its parent body. Manipulation in its recent election and international events has been thrown into jeopardy. The government also crashed the Archery Association of India and suspending the recognition of the to confirm a re-election.
close on the heels.
190 to help England post 509 firm control of the third test against India at the Eden Gardens. Armed Forces Flag Day is being observed today. The day reinforces solidarity with the armed forces for this. And with that, we wrap up this bulletin. Thank you so much for watching. Up next is Samachar Plus with OP. Namaskar.